Who's ready for summer?
Me.
I'm ready for summer.
Me.
And who wants to be in their new home by summer? And in that home have a nice big backyard where you can have family and friends over for a barbecue, outdoor activities for all ages. And then after everybody leaves, you can relax on your nice screened-in porch. Or if they don't leave really on time, you can relax on that nice screened-in porch in the morning. If that sounds interesting to you, then this is the house for you. My name is Bill Pozzaricki of the Pozzaricki Arpino team. Behind the camera is my business partner, Linda Arpino.
Hello.
There she is. We are standing in front of 16 Woodrow in Hudson, Massachusetts. It is just under 1,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, conveniently located in town, so you're very close to all that downtown Hudson has to offer. You are less than a mile to the Foster Avenue Elementary School.
Yeah, so walk to school.
You can walk to school, just like the old days where you walk to school uphill both ways.
In the snow.
And you are less than half a mile to the Assabet trail system. So
perfect. Hey, Rhonda says hello, Bill.
Hello, Rhonda.
Rhonda.
Hello, Rhonda. So let's go inside. You also have plenty of parking out here, and you do have that big backyard and screened-in porch that we're going to show you at the end, so stay with us.
Yes. It's well worth the wait.
Yes.
I just want to hear everything Bill has to say. All the great information. He's the actor that he is.
Step right inside, Linda. So you are going to enter into a heated mudroom. You kick off your shoes from a long day. It's radiant heat on the floor, and you have access obviously out to the backyard, and we'll travel out there after.
I love radiant heat on the floor. It's so toasty on your
especially after you kick off those shoes. And you walk right into your inviting kitchen with nice tile flooring, solid counters.
So you got a nice set of cabinets right there you can use as like a pantry.
I'm going to sneak around, Linda, so you don't have to see me in the picture. You want to see the kitchen.
There's the granite counters.
Love always having a window over the sink.
Swing right around. So plenty of cabinets tucked in and around different areas. And the nice tile floor Bill mentioned.
Mm-hmm. And all your kitchen appliances are going to stay. And right down the hall, you have a closet here that they use to help out with the half bath that's right here. So nice tile floor in the half bath, solid counter, and some beadboard around. And a little nice built-in as well.
It's a very cute bathroom. A little character from probably the original home. Beadboard, very cute.
And you're going to notice that you're going to have all hardwood throughout the first floor, other than the kitchen where we just came from, which was tile. So all solid flooring throughout the house. Into the family room, tucked away. This can be your TV room, a sitting room, or however you'd like to set it up. This room, you'll notice, also has good windows, at least a couple of windows in each room, so you're going to get a lot of nice natural sunlight throughout.
And then nice big windows, the ones in front and back.
Right. Into the family room with a wood-burning fireplace. So it'll be nice and cozy. And again, the hardwood. All the walls, ceilings, all in very good shape.
So it's nice with the setup. So you have, like they'll mention, sort of the two different, so you have a nice wide opening with a little bit of character to it as well, where it has a little bit of a curve. So you have the ability where it's wide open, that you can have multiple people in both rooms, still feel all together. Or if you want it to be a little bit separate, maybe somebody's reading, the other person's watching a little TV, you have the ability to do that as well.
And we've almost made a circle around the house. This is the front door that you probably won't use that much, but it's there for your guests. And then around the corner into the dining room. And I'm going to stand in the doorway that leads into the kitchen just so you kind of get your bearings of how we've taken you around the house so far.
This is a good sized dining room. A table that seats 6 that you could certainly open up more if you need to.
Right. And again, the walls and the ceilings, all good shape. Nice big windows out front for your natural sunlight to come through.
And there's the kitchen.
So we're going to head up the stairs. I'll let Linda go first. At the top of the stairs is the full bath. And from there, we're going to swing around into the main bedroom. Upstairs, you're going to find all hardwood in every bedroom.
Swing around, here we are.
There was a little kitty cat on the bed, and now
So yeah, I'm
she's
outta here.
hiding underneath.
I need to hear these people.
So again, like I said, there's hardwood in all of the bedrooms. This is the main bedroom. It does have a walk-in closet to it. Again, the walls, the ceilings, paint all in good shape.
It is hot water baseboard heat, which is nice for the winter, not drying.
Yes, and
Forced hot air.
thank you for that reminder, because it's a newer high efficiency heating system, and they also put in a storage booster for the hot water that runs right off of that furnace.
Very nice.
So we'll come back out of the master, and on the left is a bedroom that they're using as an office. It's always nice to have an office. People
Right.
are working from home these days a lot more than they used to.
And with the 4 bedrooms, you have that nice opportunity. Now, you could maybe need all 4 bedrooms, but a lot of times people don't need all 4. So you have the ability to make at least one of them an office.
And here is the map of the United States, and Woodridge is right around there.
Right there, I
There,
see it.
see it, it's right
Yeah,
there.
I see it there.
Woodrow, sorry. And down the hall, we have the full bath with tile flooring and tile around the walls, and a tub and shower.
It's a pedal steel sink, which is nice.
Mm-hmm.
So you have extra room. Ooh, I like that fixture's cool. I hadn't noticed that before. That was a peek to the backyard.
No peeking.
No peeking.
No
Don't look.
peeking.
Close your eyes while I
Yes.
go around. So that was the faucet I just noticed. Very cool. Coming, Bill.
Back
We
out.
were just having a moment in the bathroom.
If you look up quick, you do have a pull-down attic, and there's plenty of space up there. You can actually walk up in the, stand up in the direct middle of it. So there's plenty of storage up there as well.
Right, although you do have a good amount of storage in the basement too, but it is nice to have that
Yes.
instead of a little scuttle hole that has been added at some point.
So the third bedroom, again, they're all generous sized bedrooms, hardwood, 2 windows. Right now they just have this set up with the day bed. And then down and out to the 4th bedroom.
There's a little linen closet here I'm passing.
Ooh, linen closet, yes. Stuffed animals.
Cute.
All of the bedrooms, again, hardwood, closets, the main with the walk-in closet, 2 windows in each room, walls, floors, ceilings, all in really good shape. So that is our upstairs. We are going to go back down and take the hall out to the kitchen.
So here comes one of my favorite rooms. We have, at my house, I have a screened-in porch. I use it all the time in the
Yes.
nice weather. I work out there, read out there, we eat out there.
So just to get your bearings, the dining room, we're taking this hall down and right into the kitchen.
And there's another closet. So there's a
Yes.
closet here and a closet there, which is very nice. So 2 co-closets.
And we're coming right back to the door that we entered from. And I'm going to open your 14 by 11 screened in porch. And I agree with Linda, I would spend a lot of time out here. And some people I've seen, they've put a grill out here as well, because you have the screen if you wanted to do that, but whatever works for you. You can hear the birds out there.
Peek to the yard.
And back through the mudroom. And I will let Linda go first out into the backyard. So here is that big backyard that I was talking about. By the way, they just did their Title V yesterday and they passed with flying colors. We'll have that certificate up on the MLS paperclip soon. So you go all the way back here. You're just under an acre for your land. You go back a little bit into the woods. You have a big side yard. And speaking of well, when Linda swings around, you'll see a little well over there. It goes a little bit beyond that. It's that, I'm pointing like you can see me point.
So that second tree, so I got the first tree, the closest, and then the second one where he mentioned the taller one. And then your neighbor way over on the side. Some very cool trees in the yard. And there's the back.
And a little swing. So that ends our tour. Thanks everybody. I appreciate you staying with us. We are going to come on MLS on Thursday. Showings will begin on Thursday. They'll run through the weekend with all offers due on Monday. So pay attention and get those offers in quickly. Any other questions for us? Please put them in the threads. We'll see them, or reach out to us directly or through your broker. If you didn't see the whole video, we are going to repost this on Facebook. Once you're on our Facebook business page, please like it so you don't miss any of our videos. And then we'll also cross-post over to YouTube. And once you're on our YouTube channel, subscribe. So again, you can see all our fabulous videos, not just real estate, but things to do around town, cooking videos, etc. So that is it. I hear a little doggy getting a walk over there in the backyard. Again, I'm Bill Pozricki. Behind the camera is my business partner, Linda. Everybody, thanks for watching. Stay safe.
Thank you. Bye-bye.